Let's solve the indefinite integral of the expression. We're given the integral of x plus square root of x divided by square root of x plus 1 dx. To start, let's simplify the expression by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by square root of x. This makes the expression the integral of square root of x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 over square root of x dx. Now, let's rationalize and simplify further. When we distribute square root of x, we obtain square root of x plus 1 times square root of x all over square root of x plus 1. This allows us to cancel out square root of x plus 1 in the numerator and denominator. We are left with the integral of square root of x dx. All right, now we're ready to compute the integral with respect to x. Rewrite square root of x as x to the power of 1/2. We want to integrate x to the power of 1/2. The antiderivative of x to the power of 1/2 is x to the power of 3/2 divided by 3/2 plus our arbitrary constant of integration, c. Simplifying this expression, we multiply both terms by 2 to get 3 times x to the power of 3/2 plus c. Hence, the indefinite integral of the given expression simplifies to 3 times x to the power of 3/2 plus c. And that's the solution for the indefinite integral of our initial expression. Thank you for watching.